My name is Devon Shipp. I am the Director for the Center for Advanced Materials Processing, or CAMP, at Clarkson University. The core competencies at CAMP really revolve around fine particles, so nanomaterials. The semiconductor industry, for example, uses it, the optical industry. We also have a great degree of expertise in mechanical characterization and understanding of alloys, special alloys that go into spacecraft, aircraft. The longevity of those kind of materials is critical. A third area really revolves around making materials sustainable. We have several researchers that take nanomaterials and specially designed materials that have very large surface areas that absorb a significant amount of forever chemicals and remove them from the environment. CAMP is able to help all sorts of different companies, whether they be startups, spin-outs from the university, from our undergraduates or graduate students, all the way to big international companies that call New York State home. Often companies that don't have a large amount of research and development themselves, they will come to us because we have the facilities, we have the brain power, and we can provide a lot of the solutions that they're looking for. In terms of the big problems that we face globally, and what we need to do now is really look at what the sustainability of a particular new material is. And this means right through the supply chain, right from the raw material suppliers all the way through to the manufacturers and then the users, and then what happens after the users are done. Every single step and every single new material needs to be well characterized, but then also thought through in this entire life cycle. There's a great deal of expertise here at Clarkson in concrete in particular, making a much greener version of concrete.
The way we're involved in advanced materials development is by trying to reduce the embodied carbon of building materials. We try to improve societal outcomes like the speed with which we can construct civil infrastructure, and we try to do it not just cheaply but economically so that we can invest our infrastructure money and have that last now and well into the future. My name is Robert Thomas. I'm an assistant professor of civil engineering at Clarkson University. Materials innovations are absolutely poised to change the way we do everything throughout the world. A lot of folks forget about the materials. A lot of folks are focused on the system, the components that make it up. But if we can't perfect the materials, then we can't perfect the components. And if we can't perfect the components, we can't perfect the system. So we need to start from a microscopic approach and scale up. How do we address social barriers through materials innovations? Once we can perfect the materials, we can start to apply them at the component level and eventually at the structural level to make structures that are truly holistically sustainable and that are going to serve the needs of society now and into the future.